Okay, okay, today is March 21. Tama ba? Year 2025. We're here. Kami dito ng somewhere in the podium. Okay, yeah. Our old friend, si Joe the Mango.
Hello.
Hello.
Good to see Elion again and his family.
Oh, okay, Mel. Sabi mo di ba magpapaano ka, consult kay Joe tungkol sa mga family problem. Expert yan. Anyway, ito si Joe, he's promoting his ano movie yun?
Love Notes the movie, The Last Goodbye, showing May 7 in theaters nationwide. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Thanks, Direk Elion.
Ayan si Bing! And my wife si Helen! And my bunso, Elaine! Hello! Okay, okay. Ako, lilipad na sa bukas. Ang bilis nito eh. Kakarating lang, lilipad na naman sa abroad na naman bukas. Okay, so
Bye.
that's about it. Thank you. You will appreciate this movie. This video after 20 years.
Yeah, tama.
Tingnan mo after 20 years tingnan mo. Okay?